Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Vanguard coins in Mobile Legends quickly. Vanguard coins are a unique currency found on the advanced server, offering a fantastic way to earn free diamonds and other exclusive items. Understanding how to efficiently gather these coins is key to boosting your in-game resources. We will cover daily tasks, weekly bonuses, and event participation to maximize your coin collection. To rapidly accumulate Vanguard coins, focus on mastering your daily missions. These tasks are straightforward, often requiring you to play a few matches or achieve minor in-game objectives. Each day, you can earn around 40 to 50 coins by consistently completing these missions. Remember, these tasks refresh daily, so logging in and finishing them every 24 hours is crucial for steady progress. Beyond daily efforts, weekly events and bonuses are vital for boosting your Vanguard coin stash. Look out for special Vanguard events that offer substantial coin rewards. Weekly logins alone can provide between 100 and 300 coins, especially during the fourth week. Additionally, completing specific hero tasks or event challenges often yields larger coin payouts, so always check the event tab. To truly optimize your Vanguard coin farming, consistent play on the advanced server is essential. By diligently completing daily and weekly tasks, you can realistically aim to collect around 1,800 coins each month. Remember, the ultimate goal is to exchange these hard-earned Vanguard coins for valuable free diamonds, which can then be used for various in-game purchases and events.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.